everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter understand fractions. The lessons are match unit fractions to models, show fractions area models. Then we're going to start the new chapter, that is place values. And the lessons we're going to cover are place value models up to 1000, place value names up to 1000. So let's just start with the chapter understand fractions. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the chapter understand fractions. So what do you know about the fractions? Okay, so first we're going to start with chapter understand fractions. So what is fraction? What do you know about the fractions? A fraction is a part of whole, right? A fraction is a part of a whole. You can use fractions are written as numerator and denominator. For example, here you have a fraction 1 out of 2, right? 1 is numerator and 2 is the denominator, right? And numerator divided by the denominator, right? So basically this is whole and this is the part of the whole. That means it looks like this. You have a shape that has two parts, right? And one of them is colored. So you can say 1 out of 2. Got it? This is the very basic definition of the fraction. You can represent as 1 out of 2. Got it? So for example, you are given a shape that looks like this, right? So the shape has total 4 portions. The whole is always the denominator, right? And 2 of them are colored. So you can write it as 2 out of 4. 2 of the portions are colored out of 4. The total portions are 4, right? Whole is always in the denominator and part is always in the numerator. So let's just start with the lesson. Here I'm on grade 3 math. We're going to start with the chapter understand fractions. So let's just start lesson, that is match unit fractions to models. Okay, what fraction of the shape is brown? So first you have to see how many total portions the shape have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The shape has total 4 portions. Only one of them is brown. So you can write it as 1 out of 4, right? 1 over 4 you can write. Let's just start with the test questions. What fraction of the shape is purple? Which is the correct option? Okay, let's just see. The shape has total 1, 2, 3 portion, right? Only one of them is purple, so you can write 1 out of 3, right? That means the shape has 3 portions and only one of them is purple. Got it? You can write 1 out of 3. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. What fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. Which is the correct option? The shape has total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 portions. And what fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? 1 out of 6, right? The shape has 6 portions and only one of them is green. So you can say it is 1 out of 6. Got it? What fraction of the shape is yellow? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The shape has total 4 portions, right? Only one of them is yellow. So you can write it as 1 out of 4. The correct option is 1 out of 4. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? What fraction of the shape is brown? Which is the option? Very good. That would be 1 out of 2 because the shape has total 2 portions. Only one of them is brown. So you can say that is 1 out of 2. What fraction of the shape is brown? The correct option is 1 out of 3. The correct option is 1 out of 3. The total portions are 3. One of them is brown. So it is 1 out of 3. What fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 1 out of 6, right? The shape has total 6 portions and only one is green. So that would be 1 out of 6. What fraction of the shape is blue? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 8, right? Yes, the correct option is 1 out of 8. Very good. What fraction of the shape is orange? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 4. The shape has total 4 portions. So 1 out of 4 is the correct option is 1 out of 4. What fraction of the shape is brown? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 6. What fraction of the shape is green? Which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is show fractions area models, right? So now we're going to learn how do we work on the area models, right? Let's start with the shade one part of the rectangle. When one part of the rectangle is shaded, but section is shaded, you can see the rectangle has total two portions, right? When you color one portion, it would be 1 out of 2 because the total portions rectangle have 2 and one of them is shaded, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Shade one of the rectangle. When one part of the rectangle is shaded, but fraction is shaded, which is the correct option? 4 and 1 out of 4. The rectangle has only two portions. Then how it is? I think it would be then four parts, and one of them is colored. It looks like this. There is a mistake with the shape. That's what I think. It is like this. The shape rectangle has four portions, and only one portion is covered colored. So the correct option is 1 by 4. Right? Let me just see if I select 1 by 4. Correct option is yes. That means there is a mistake with the shape, right? Okay, shade one part rectangle. When one part of the rectangle is shaded, but fraction is shaded. So you can see the shape has two portions, right? The rectangle has two portions. If you shade one part of the rectangle, it would be like this. So what part is colored? The total portions are 2 and 1 is colored. It would be 1 out of 2. Got it? The correct option is 1 out of 2. The correct option is 1 out of 2 is colored. Got it? Shade one part of the rectangle. When one part of the rectangle is shaded, what fraction is shaded? Which is the correct option? So again, there is a mistake with the shape. That means the shape has 5 portions and only one of them is colored. So the correct option is 1 out of 5, right? The correct option is 1 out of 5. Shade one part of the rectangle. When one part of the rectangle is shaded, but fraction is shaded, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 out of 2. Very good. The shape has two portions and only 1 is colored, so it would be 1 out of 2. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with the chapter unit fraction, understand fraction. We're going to start the new chapter, that is place values. Yes, we're going to start with a new chapter, that is values. So what do you know about place values? I think you already did in grade 2. So what do you know about place values? What are the place values? So basically, the place value is the position of each digit in a number, right? You can note down the definition. The place value is the position of each digit in a number, right? That is the position of the digits in the number. For example, you have a digit 213, right? Every digit has different place value. The 3 is the rightmost digit. 3 is always at the ones position, 1 is at the tens position, and 2 is at the hundreds position, right? So the place values of every digit is different with the other one. 3 is at the ones place, 1 is at the tens place, and 2 is at the hundreds place, right? That describes the position or place of a digit, right? Each digit has a place in a number. So we have a place value chart. Let's just see what is the place value chart. The place value chart is, you have 1, 10, 100, then 1000, then you have 10,000, then you have hundred thousands, then you have millions, and so on, right? So the whenever you have to see the place value of the digit, just write the digit in the place value chart and you will find the value of the digit, right? For example, you have a number that is 5468. You need to see the place values of the digits. So just place the digit on the place value chart. 8, always start from rightmost digit. 8, 6, 4, and 5. 8 is at the ones position, 6 is at the tens, 4 is at the hundreds, and 5 is at the thousands. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the lesson. Here it is, the lesson place values. We're going to start with less place value models up to thousands, right? Okay, you are given with the models here, right? Let's just learn how do we read numbers from the model. Okay, so you are given three types of the models. This one, the single block represent the ones, they represent the ones. These are the lines, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? The strips represent the tens, and when you have like this represent the 100, right? You have 10 like this and 10 like this, so that means on one you have 100, sorry, not 1000, 100. On one block you have 100 small squares, right? So you have three ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So the digit they make together is 463. Got it? Just keep the shape of these. The single block always represents the one. A complete strip with 10 squares represent the tens. And one like this. 10 here and 10 here represents the hundreds. So together they make the digit 463. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, that they represents 463, right? You can see the ones you have three ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 400s that represents 463. Got it? Okay, the next one is where is the digit 7? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Basically, you need to see the place value of the digit 7. So, what is the place value of the digit 7? 7 is the rightmost digit, right? And the rightmost digit is always at the 7 is at the ones place, right? The rightmost digit is always at the ones place. Very good. That would be at the ones place. Option number 1 is the correct option. Here is the digit 9. Like, what is the place value of the digit 9? Ones, tens, or hundreds? Which is the correct option? Which digit is at the tens place? Right, 9 is at the tens place, right? The correct option is 9. 9 is at the tens place. The correct option is tens. The rightmost is always the ones digit. The next two ones is tens, then you have hundreds, right? Where is the digit 2 in 267? 2 is at the, which is the correct option? 1, tens, hundreds. Very good. 2 is at the hundreds place. Like even you can see when I'm reading the number 267, right? So 2 is at the hundreds place. Very good. Where is the digit 0? Ones, tens, hundreds. Which is the correct option? 0 is at the, very good. 0 it at the ones place. 0 is the rightmost digit. So 0 is at the ones place. Where is the digit 2? Ones, tens, hundreds. Which is the correct option? Which is the place value of the digit 2? The place value of digit 2 is, very good, 2 is at the ones place. Where is the digit 1? 168. Where is 1? 1 is at the hundreds place, right? Very good. The correct option is hundreds. Where is the digit 0? Which is the correct option? Ones, tens, hundreds. Which is the correct option? Patrick? 0 is at the tens place. Very good. The correct option is tens. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is place value names up to thousands, right? You already know these names because I think you have done the place values in grade 2. Where is the digit 7? Which is the correct option? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. 7 is at the tens place. The correct option is tens, right? Let's just start with the test question that is exactly same like we just did, right? Where is the digit 4? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 4 is at the. Mhm. Very good. 4 is at the thousands place, the highest place value for the digit, right? Okay, let's test. Thousands, okay. Where is the digit 9? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which is the correct option? Very good. 9 is at the ones place. The correct option is ones. Where is the digit 7? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which is the correct option? 7 is at the. Very good. 7 is at the tens place. Where is the digit 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is Very good. 6 is at the hundreds place. Option 1 is the correct option. Where is the digit 9? 4619. So where is 9? 9 is at the ones position. Very good. 4012, which is the correct option? Where is the digit 4? Very good. The correct option is thousands. 4 is at the thousands place. Where is the digit 5? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 is at the very good. Tens place. The correct option is tens. Where is the digit 4? The correct option is 4 is at the 1 tens hundreds, right? I think that was for the last question. 4 is at the hundreds place. The correct option is hundreds. Where is the digit 0? Which is the correct option? 0 is at the very good. 0 is at the tens place. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just see the next lesson, right? Because we still have time. So the next one is place value names up to hundred thousands. Okay. Where is the digit 6? Which is the correct option? 6 is at the thousands position. The correct option is thousands place, right? Where is the digit 0? Which is the correct option? Very good. 0 is at the hundreds place. The correct option is hundreds, right? Where is the digit 3? Which is the correct option? Very good. 3 is at the tens place. The correct option is tens, right? Where is the digit 5? Very good. 5 is at the ones place. Sorry, ones. The last option is the correct one. Okay. Where is the digit 0? 0 is at the, very good. That would be tens place. 0 is at the tens place. 100. Where is 100? Oh, yes. Sorry. 0 is at the hundreds place. You're right. 0 is at the hundreds. Sorry. Here is hundreds place. Where is the digit 0? Which is the correct option? 0 is at the tens place. The correct option is 10. Where is the digit 9? Thousands place, right? 9 is at the thousands place. Where is the digit 7? Right, that would be ones. 7 is at the ones place. Where is the digit 5? 5 is at the tens position, right? The correct option is tens. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we're working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is, we have started with the chapter Understand Fractions. The lessons we have covered from the chapter are from the chapter Understand Fractions. The lessons we have covered are match unit fractions to models, show fractions, area models, right? Then we've started the chapter Place Values. The lessons we have covered from the chapter Place Values are place value models up to thousands, place value model, place value names up to thousands, and place value names up to 100,000, right? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all these lessons. That is your homework to complete your practice questions, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Yes, I know. Still, we have 5 minutes. So, if you have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please don't forget, I am your teacher. I know we still have 5 minutes. So, please ask questions now. No questions? Glendy, maybe you have any question? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.